Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Revit license problems. First, always confirm your internet connection is stable, as licensing often requires online validation. Next, double-check your Autodesk account login credentials for accuracy. Finally, ensure your Revit software is fully updated to the latest available version, as older versions might have known licensing issues. A common fix involves resetting your license data. You'll need to locate and delete specific Autodesk license data files from your system. If available, consider using the Autodesk License Support tool to streamline this process. After clearing these files, it's crucial to restart your computer before attempting to launch Revit again, allowing a fresh license acquisition. Sometimes, your firewall or antivirus software can block license communication. Try temporarily disabling them to see if Revit launches. If it works, add Revit and all Autodesk services to your security software's exception list. Also, ensure that necessary network ports for Autodesk licensing are open and not being blocked by your network settings. If issues persist, consider reinstalling the Autodesk licensing service components separately. Also, ensure your Windows operating system has all pending updates installed, as these can affect software functionality. If all else fails, gather your diagnostic logs and contact Autodesk support directly. They can provide specific guidance for your unique situation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.